If you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you've probably copy-pasted data from Metricool into the chat dozens of times and asked for an analysis or content ideas. With Metricool's MCP, the AI tool connects directly to your account and pulls the data itself. A little bit of context on what the MCP is: it stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's an open standard that allows AI tools to speak to external apps. With Metricool's MCP, you can ask things like, what were my top 3 Instagram posts last month, or compare March 2025 to March 2026, and the AI answers using your own data. It works with several clients such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Make, and many more, so make sure to check the help article because each one connects in a different way. So let's say you use ChatGPT, right? All you have to do to connect it is to go into the app section and write Metricool, click on enter, then it will pop up here, and all you have to do is click on it and then click on connect. Once connected, the MCP will show up in the AI's tool list and you can start to ask questions in natural language.